Hello, and what's up to all you beautiful, wonderful people out there? It's your girl Keisha Sim, aka Divinity, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Whether you are new or returning, I thank you so much for stopping by and tuning in. So today is another day in my life, and we are doing yet another photo shoot campaign. Y'all, when I tell you I'm getting tired of these photo shoots, I'm getting tired of these photo shoots. But the show must go on. Today we are doing kind of like a Y2K alternative fashion kind of photo shoot, and I have 3 outfits and 3 different concepts that I have to do with these photo shoots. So this is going to be something really extensive, but I'm really excited about it, and you guys are coming with me once again to go through the process. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, alrighty guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. It's kind of, I don't know what I was expecting it to look like, but I was going for alternative fashion, Y2K, kind of alt goth girl look. And I think I achieved that. It kind of is giving more like Halloween-ish, or honestly kind of like, I don't know, but I do like it, and I really think I did my big one. I installed this wig. You know, we always got to install a wig. And, you know, she's doing her big one. She's doing her little thing. It looks cute or whatever. Glueless, because I'm not playing around. When it's time to take this off, I'm taking this off, okay? So now my hair is kind of coming apart because I've been like bobby pinning everything. But now we are going to go ahead and get ready as far as like choosing out the outfits, because I want to have 3 different outfits for this shoot. And I really want to focus on doing like full body pictures with this, which is going to be a little difficult just because my my backdrop, there you go. It might be a little difficult because my backdrop is kind of on the shorter side. It's not like super long or anything. So, excuse me. So we're going to see how it kind of works and plays out in order to get those full body shots. I definitely want to go and get like a range of angles. Like I want to get high up angles like this, looking at the camera this way. I want to get like low angles where I'm looking at the camera this way. Maybe some side profiles and stuff like that. So we're going to see, we're going to play around with different things. But right now it's time to choose the outfit. I just had a little meeting with one of my friends, so I'm a little behind on my schedule. It's not like I have a set schedule of like I need to be done by this time, but I'm trying to make sure I'm done before it's time for bedtime, because when it's time for bedtime, it's time for bedtime. I am heating up some food right now because I'm hungry, but let's go ahead and get together the outfit. I already have one outfit kind of in my mind because I've worn it before, and then we're gonna kind of get the other ones together. So let's go. So here's my styling rack. We're gonna pull a couple pieces from here, put some stuff together, and we're going to make it work, and we're going to give the alt girlies everything that they've been wanting / what I've been wanting, because on the inside I am an alt girly. I just don't portray it out in the public eye. But let's go ahead and pick out the outfit and see what we're gonna do. I have this jean Y2K like skirt that I know I want to wear. So I've got this one, which I think would be really cute. This is really cute Y2K skirt. I want to throw that up there. For the top, I have this like leather top. So I've got this like leather topless top that I'm thinking about wearing. So we'll have like that main outfit #1. I'm thinking for my second outfit though, that's where I'm like having trouble. But I think I want to do like a hoodie. So I'm thinking of wearing this hoodie. It's like a Kaneki. Oh, I don't know if I'm saying his name right. Oh, baby. Wearing this hoodie with like some tights. I have these like crystal tights. These crystal fishnets, or I might just wear regular fishnets. And I'll do it like that. I have so much stuff, guys. It's not even funny. Here's my pack of fishnets. There's red in there and pink, so I think I'll do the red fishnets. With that one, that's 2. I don't know if I have any ideas for a third. I know I've got like these leather jackets and things, but I don't really think I want to do that. Okay, let's go ahead and start throwing on some clothes, start throwing on some shoes and accessories and see what's going on. But we're gonna go with the hoodie outfit first. I think that would be the cutest one. Okay. Okay, so I just finished up with my get ready with me, and I just finished recording my content and picking out my first outfit of the shoot. I've decided that I'm only going to do 2 outfits because I do not think I have the energy to try to go for a third. But this is the fit. Okay, we've got our little fluff boots and matching wrist cuffs. We've got our little thigh garter, belt accessories, redfish net tights. We've got the wig installed. We've got the little fluffy ear thingies, which we can always take off, but right now we're gonna take the pictures with this. And it's giving Y2K, it's giving alt girly, it's giving exactly what I wanted it to give. So I'm really excited. I'm really still trying to figure out how I'm gonna go about with taking these pictures, because like I said, I really want to get like really different cool angles, because why not? So we're gonna see how it goes, but I really feel like the alt girlies, and I'm really happy and excited about that. But let's go ahead and set up for the shoot and all that good stuff. So okay, so I've changed my mind, and I'm going to be going for a bathtub photo shoot. And the inspiration comes from, where's the picture? Where's the picture? Okay, so this is a vibe, and this is what we are going to be doing. We're going to be going for an alt girl bathtub photo shoot. I could use a lighter as a prop. And we are going to give it that kind of vibe. I think this is going to be a good one. Yes. Very grunge. Okay, so we have our inspo. We know what we're going for. And now it's time to do it.